I think Carabiner should be. I think there should be an 11C Carabiner because these are so versatile. Carabiners in general are so useful. That's the one I had. I have the box next to me. Yeah, but yeah, Carabiners should be the 11th. Like there should be 11C Carabiner. They're useful. Say, EDC wing thing, keys, mace, pepper spray or whatever, etc., etc. Like carabiner is a really a multifunctional thing, so I think there should be an 11th C carabiner. I do. We all think. Anyway, God rest in peace.